Baby Sick Day Prep Kit by Fridababy includes NoseFrida by Fridababy is one of the best sellers among baby nasal aspirators products. 4 essentials to clean, soothe, plus calm a congested infant so they can breathe easy. NoseFrida Snot Sucker Nasal Aspirator for newborn to toddler age, removes congestion and runny nose the natural way. Pacey Medicine Dispenser for accurate dose of cough syrup, fever medicine, or mucus relief. 2-in-1 Snot Wipe plus Vapor Rub to clean stuffy nose boogies plus soothe with aloe, chamomile, eucalyptus. Fridababy Vapor Rub is a great organic alternative to other ointments, baby rubs, plus Vapor Rubs. One baby goes viral, and not in the millions of followers way, there's no time to fuss around. The manufacturer's Sick Day Kit contains the tools you need to fight whatever's ailing your kiddo, all in one grab-and-go package. Suck out these stubborn boogers with NoseFrida the Snot Sucker, and give baby the right dose of medicine, sans spit-ups, with MediFrida the AccuDose Pacifier. BreatheFrida the Snot Wipes Pack helps clean snotty noses on the go, while BreatheFrida the Vapor Rub Chest Balm helps soothe congested airways. The manufacturer recommends stocking up your nursery before illness hits so you're ready to play nurse at a moment's notice.